afternoon. Welcome to Marketplace 5. I'm Jessica Taloni. A recent survey shows that baby boomers are not content just growing old gracefully. Facelifts have increased by almost 50% in the United States, a trend which could be attributed to the fact that a baby boomer turns 50 years old every 8 seconds. We're here today with Dr. Stephen Martin of the Martin Center to talk about facelifts.
That's right, Jessica. You know, we want to talk about the current facelift. It's not the facelift of your grandmother. You know, the one where they look stretched or tight, look like it just stepped out of a wind tunnel. Today, natural is in. We want it to look refreshed and not like you've had something done.
And it's one thing for you and I to talk about facelifts, but it's another to hear from people who've actually had the work done. And you've brought us a video with some of your patients in it. Let's hear from your patients right now.
I looked in the mirror and I'm like, that's it. I'm going to bite the bullet. I'm going to spend the money and I'm going to take care of myself.
When we first decided to do this, he gave me several options of different procedures he could do, different levels of procedures. Of course, the first thing on my mind was the lower facelift with the chin. And then the eyes were my second favorite thing. And after I saw the visual imaging, I knew I wanted that done. And then he mentioned a couple other things he could do to retexturize the skin and several other options. And these were all different categories, and I could choose whichever steps I wanted. And I ended up getting the whole ball of wax. So he was very good in recommending things he thought would make me more happy and I get the most bang for my buck, so to speak. Dr. Martin tells you right away what he thinks would be good for you, and he's very gracious and kind. The first thing he does is tell you how wonderful you look, makes you feel real at home, makes women feel very comfortable. I've let people notice, and then I've told them what happened. They'll say, have you lost weight, or did you? I said, well, yes, I did, but I also did this, and I tell them about Dr. Martin and the integrity I think that he has, and that I felt very comfortable placing my face in his hands.
My good friends who know what I've had done, and I've certainly told them all, they go, wow, we want to get one of those. So I encourage them. I encourage the women to really take care of themselves, because the money they spend is minimal compared to how they're going to feel about themselves. And they should have real confidence in Dr. Martin. I have absolute confidence that I would do it again and again.
Well, it's always nice to hear from people who are happy with their appearance and pleased with the results. If you want to reach the Martin Center, you can call them. It's 251-344-7474 or visit their website, themartincenter.com. With Marketplace 5, I'm Jessica Taloni.